Hey everyone, and welcome to my introduction of the NEOS H5P platform integration plugin. Now, here I have an empty NEOS website, which is quite boring. So let's add some interactive content from h5p.org to the mix. In order to install the plugin, I'm just gonna run composer require sandstorm/neos h5p, and Composer is gonna install it for me. Now, the installation of this plugin has 3 steps. First of all, we need to execute database migrations because we bring our own model. So we're running flow doctrine migrate. That's probably caching error, so let's just rmrf data temporary and try again. And there we go, we've executed database migrations. The next step is to generate the configuration settings that H5P needs. It's going to read them from the settings.yaml and install them into our database. We provide a command for this, so we run flow h5p generate config. And finally, we need to make sure the H5P assets are published. This happens just by running flow resource publish. There we go, we're all set to have some fun with H5P content on our site. Let's switch back to the NEOS site, refresh the page once, log in again, and we have a new node type, which is called H5P content. Let's add one, and now we can select H5P content from our content repository. Because, of course, I don't have any content yet, I'm going to create a new one. Let's enter a title. I'm going to call it My Multiple Choice. And as the name suggests, I'm going to install the multiple choice library from h5p.org. Just by clicking install, it downloads it from the H5P hub, and I can just click use. Now let's set up a little multiple choice question. I'm going to add this image of a funny cuddly frog and ask my question. What do you see on this image? Option A is going to be a frog, and that is the correct answer. And option B is going to be a cow. And then we can provide a score range. If you do it wrong, too bad. Try again. And if you have the correct answer, well done. Let's create that content. And here we have it. We can check it out and test our newly created content in this screen already. Of course, it's not a cow, but a frog. Yay! Now simply by clicking choose and apply, I can insert this content into my site, and by clicking publish, I have this interactive H5P content on my NEOS website. And it's working just the way I would expect it to. Now, the cool thing about H5P content is that it is reusable. This means if I switch back to my NEOS website and create a new page and add another H5P content node type here, I can simply choose the H5P content that I have already created. By clicking choose in this view and again apply, the H5P content appears on this page, just like on the other one. Let's remove that page again and switch back to our first one. H5P provides all kinds of interesting libraries to create interactive content. If you scroll through, you can see that there's drag and drop, true-false questions, image hotspots, accordions, and even a memory game, so just have a look and see what H5P can do for you. Our plugin has some additional functionality to manage H5P content and libraries. If we click the H5P content menu item here, we're taken to a list of all contents. And of course, I can also create new ones here. Let's go back and see the list of libraries that are installed. If there's an upgrade available, I can trigger the upgrade for a library here. There will be an upgrade button on the right side. If we save user results for our contents, which we haven't done in this example, they would appear here. And I can have a look at the currently active configuration settings in the administration area. That concludes my little overview of the NEOS H5P platform integration plugin. Have fun using it!